Yeah, it's really important that we put on such family-orientated events. It's important to keep growing the girls' game now because, as we can see from the recent TV coverage from the European Championships, the girls' game is growing, and I think it's really good to include the local community to see the expansion of girls and ladies football. It's important that we do involve everyone and just let everyone know what it is we've got and what an opportunity there is now to get involved in the game.
It makes you want to be a kid again. Yeah, so it's been fun having the girls come out and just relaxing, I'd say. I just think I find peace playing football. I'd say it's about the sanity in playing football. People don't get it, but playing football helps you kind of cope with emotions and stuff like that. So that works for me.
It's the first time I've done this sort of thing. With your help, it's been great. It will boost the girls and the women's in Llandudno. Today, the girls have had a very good morning, so as long as they've enjoyed it, that's the best thing.
It's all different things, like football stuff, play things and work hard and do things.
We play usually every Wednesday we go training, and every Saturday we usually have a match.
I enjoy it because you can get fit and healthy and you can be with your friends.
I enjoy it because you can be with your friends, you can have fun matches, because it's a good sport.
It's really nice actually having somebody here from the FAW focusing on the women's game. We already run our community sessions here for children from the age of 2 now right up to adults. So it's really important that we do maintain that consistency each year, that we are not leaving anyone out, like whether it's male or female or young or old. It's really important that we keep it going across all age bands and genders, and we grow the game together.